In lab number 5, we will learn about how to draw two-dimensional drawings. So first of all, let's make a task number 1. So for that, just start from the part modeling. Click OK. And here we start from the front plane or right plane. So just started from the front plane. The sketch should be on the front plane. Draw two circles below the lines. Unnecessary places should be trimmed by using trimming that is assign the dimensions. 26, diameter is 16, the height is 32. Exit from the sketch and use extruded boss to extrude this. The side is 40 millimeter. So here we cannot find a center. Okay, so the top plane can be a center, but our shape is 32 millimeter cylinder with diameter 18. For that, we can select this face and create a sketch on that face. See from the normal view. So we need a center for that. Use center line to find a center from the edge. Use another center. So that center of the center line can be a center for the circle. The circle diameter is given 15 millimeters. Exit from the sketch, and this can be extruded. The size is 32 millimeters. So from the top plane, we can draw a sketch to make extruded cut. We see from the normal view. And can use a center line again and use a center rectangle, which is the center of the center rectangle lies on the center line. Assign the dimensions 18. From this line up to the edge is 11 millimeters. Exit from the sketch and use it while you're selecting sketch number 3 with extruded cut. Click OK. So our part is ready. So now you can save this file. So create a new folder. Lab number 5. Right, type number 5. Inside lab number 5, you can save your task number 1. In task number 2, we're going to draw two-dimensional drawing using existing 3D part file. For that, click New Document Creation, Common, and select a drawing. Click OK. In here, select a sheet, so you can see various sheets from A0 up to A4. You can use browse button to save any other types of the standards. Here you can see the GOST standard, DIN Japanese standard, GIS is Japanese standard, ISO international standard. So in our case, we need a A3 sheet 1 ghost. So click OK. So once you click OK, you will have a ghost standard sheet, A3 size sheet. So here in browse button on left hand side, if you click this one, you can show what part you need to draw. So you need to generate the 2D drawings. So here select task number 1 file, click open. So in left hand side you can see the standard views, like we need a front view and left or right view and top view. So in our case is we need a left hand side view, but this software is made it using American standard, so that's why we choose a right view. So check create multiple views and you will be able to select many views. So top plane, front plane, and right hand side plane, and also isometric view. And click OK. So you can move isometric view on somewhere the empty place on your sheet, and you can change the top view to the bottom and front view to the top side of your sheet. So in this case, the view is right hand side view, but in our case it should be different view. So by the process, uh, right hand side view should be on the left hand side of the front view. So to generate left view, what we have to do? To do this one, just you have to click projected view and select from where to generate your views. So select a front view to generate the other side of the views. So if you move to the left hand side, you can see the left hand side view, and after generating of this view, you can move by using left mouse button, by clicking and holding left mouse button. Okay, so you can select this view and click delete button on your keyboard and click yes to delete this. So now we can change the lines, we can add or change the lines. For example, this line is no needed. It's showing the kind of edge which is after the arc position is started, joining position of the arc and the line, the two surfaces connection point. So this thing shouldn't be there. Okay, so you can click this one and you can change this one. You can hide it by clicking this pictogram. Okay, so now we can make click annotation, and we can add some lines. For example, this is cylindric shape, so this part is cylindric part. So cylindric thing should be with center line. Okay, so click center line inside annotation. So if you choose two parallel lines in between, the center line will be generated. Still, the center line is open, so that's why you can put this kind of center line in between. So what else? So in here also we need a center line here. So click a center line. But here, no place to choose. What to do is you can go to the sketch and using centerline drawing tool after the line. So you can use this tool to draw the center line. One more time. So to show the hidden lines, we have to select a shape first, view, and then on left hand side you can see the drawing view 1. Inside here in the features you can see display style. The second one, hidden lines visible format, can show this. You can choose this and then see this kind of invisible things. So again, if you see different size, okay, so in here also we can put automatically. Choose this line, click delete. Oops, undo it, and then this one we can make it invisible. So in between, inside the annotation, in between these two hidden lines, you can choose and make a center line in between. In here also we need a center line, so in between these two things, two lines, in between we need a center line. Okay, so you can use a center mark to make a center lines at the center of the circle. Okay, so now we can generate the section view of from using front view or other views like a top view. So select inside a view layout, you can select a section view command, and you can see the cutting line types. So the first one is vertical one, second one is horizontal, or you can see the different auxiliary or aligned one. So in our case, we need a section view from the center, or we can make a different, more complex sectioning lines. So in our case, just select the first one. Once you click this and click OK, so you can see the view of AA, the section view AA. Once you make this one, you can see here the label section AA, and you can use flip direction to see the direction of the sectioning. In our case, the direction should be like this. Click OK. In case of section line is very near to your front view contour, have to change this one. Just select a section line, click right click, and you have to choose from the list edit cutting line. And here you can use edit sketch button and move this one. You can move from the one end by clicking left mouse button, so up, and from the down, and click OK. Click OK. So now you can use this one, drawing view off. Now you can see your section view line, section line is not so long, becomes more longer. So AA view. Now we need to make dimensions. We have to assign the dimensions. How to generate dimensions? There are two ways. You can use a sketch and to assign a dimension by yourself using Smart Dimension. Or another way is inside annotation, you can use a model items tool. Inside here, the source can be entire model or selected feature. Because you can use entire model, so we need a dimensions for all views, entire model, and select here the dimension types. The second one is node market for that drawing. So click OK. So here then you can see that all dimensions are already done for you automatically. So once you uh, that is automatical assigning of the dimension. We don't need to assign the dimensions in section view AA. For that one, we can delete that dimensions that we don't need in this view and delete it. Again, model items. We can delete. We can off import items into all views, and you can choose what view you need to assign a dimension. So select this view, that view, and that view. Click OK. So then dimensions will appear in that views that you are shown. So the height is 32. So one of these should be eliminated. So by the rule, only one dimensions for one feature should be shown. So for example, this one is we don't need and eliminate it. So diameter 18. Sorry, 2 is 40. So instead of this 40 can be appear in here. So for that one, just delete this one and model items, select this view, click OK. So 40 appear and the 72 should be deleted. The 16 is here, for example. So by the rule, in invisible views or hidden features cannot be used for dimensioning. So for example, the hole is not visible from this view, so therefore we cannot use the dimensions for this hole. So hole is where is a normal view of the hole. In front view, position, the hole is looks to us normally. So that's why we have to put dimensions on that view. Okay, select the view and click model items. Click OK. So we go one more time. We have to delete it. 16 is here. So use a diameter 16 here. So in the leaders can change the you can make outside or inside leader display. So 16 diameter. So in between is 18. So click right hand side of this, then extension line, click small dimension, select this extension line, and then extend until the edge. Click right hand side and click video. Fourth small dimension. So now you can add more things to drawings. You can use a notes somewhere empty place. You can write notes like net dimensions index r equal 0.5 mm. So you can write any notes here, any information which is not included. Included in the dimensions. Okay, so everything is done. You can write. You can use different things like auxiliary view uh, of any existing view or projected view. For example, you select any view and use it to find other projections from the given view. Like isometric view is also possible from different sides, or left view, right view, top view, and bottom view sides also possible using these commands. So you can see here a detail view command. So using detail view command, you can draw the any place of your drawing and increase this thing by using different scale and on the side of the your drawing and the contour can draw um, detailed view of the selected thing. So here you can set different scale and here the view name is can be typed here like A, B, C. The characters can be inserted and draw detail view name will be drawn here, written here. Okay. So after completion of your task, you can select a isometric view here and select different types of the style. You can make a shaded with edges or without edges. It's up to you. Okay, so you can use fast quality, high quality, increase the quality, and you can save this information as a SolidWorks file. Here you can write the name of the um, drawing by using notes. Right here, the name of the drawing is shaft holder. Use different notes to draw the number of the drawing 001, 0.001, 0.062. Here you can type your name, change the font, make a metallic, even though smaller font is possible. So click OK. So here you can see the logo of SolidWorks Russia. So you can change this one by clicking right hand side of the label, and here in the list you can find edit sheet format. Click this one, and by clicking 2 times, so you can you're able to change this one, edit this one. So and any logo, your group number. Control A, and then make this one is using smaller font. And click OK, and click right hand side the emblem of closing the to editing of editing of this logo. You can write here to put some image logo, or just this using just note kind of logo. Okay, so you can save your file with save all, and save your task number 2. It's a SolidWorks drawing format, and also you can able to save. You're able to save as is using an AutoCAD format, DXF and DWG formats. Click save.